What's up, girlies? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are brand new, then you have found your brand new home. All right, today we are going to do a low impact full body. So we're not going to use any weights. This is the perfect workout to do. Maybe if you're brand new to exercise, maybe if you're on like a rest day or you're coming back from an injury. All right, so I've also got something free for you as well, because over the last decade, I have found that there are 3 simple things that can help you get amazing results. And I'm giving it away all for free. So just click in the link below, sign up for my free video, and I'm gonna give you my 3-step process to help you get amazing results no matter how old you are or where you are in the world. All right, let's get started with today's workout. Today we have got 40 seconds of exercise and we've got a nice 20-second rest. Make sure you've got water with you, and also the water have got electrolytes in it. That's what's going to keep you hydrated. Need any more help about nutrition? Then I've got you sorted in my 3-step process. All right, here we go. We're going to start off with squats to begin with. So just take the legs nice and wide. Your toes want to be slightly turned out, and we're going to press those knees out to the side as we go down into our squat, nice and gently, just to warm our bodies up, and then squeeze your glutes as you get to the top. When you come down, almost think about lifting up your toes to really press the weight into your heels, lifting up through your thighs, and then squeezing your glutes as you get to the top. We're just going to take it nice and slow today. Most importantly is moving your body, all right? Even if you don't feel like it, I tell you what, you're always going to feel so much better after you've done a workout, and especially here, because we're all about fun, positivity, and living in gratitude. All right, give me 2 more. Squeeze those glutes up to the top and all the way down and squeeze. All right, we're gonna bring those arms out to the side. We're gonna take it into an overhead press with a little pulse. So feet are gonna be hip-width distance apart, and just kind of get a nice bend in your knee. We're gonna bring those arms out to the side. We're gonna press up to the top, and then we're gonna come all the way down, and we're gonna give a little pulse right here. So just taking a nice big breath for me. Nice big exhale out. So here we go. So press up, out to the side, tiny little pulse. All the way up, little pulse out to the side, and press up. Here we go. Now, of course, if you want to make this a little bit more challenging, you can just add weight. You can even add our ankle weight around your wrists as well. But the most important thing is that you're moving your body every single day. 30 minutes every single day is going to help you live longer. It's going to help you have more energy. You're going to feel happier. There are so many benefits to exercise, and that is why I'm giving away my 3-step process below that's going to help you not only get the results that you want today, but make sure that when you're in your 60s, your 70s, your 80s, your 90s, you're still moving your body. One more. And release. All right, release those arms down. Give it a little bit of wiggle from side to side. I know that you want to keep doing this workout, but I have got something very, very important that I need to share with you before you do anything else, because you have been doing an amazing job of doing the free workouts here on YouTube. And some of you guys have been doing it for a decade, but I have a little bit of a bone to pick with you. A lot of you guys are doing the free workouts and you have never ever tried my burn method that's inside the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app. And you know what? I think today is today. And if you've been thinking about it for a while, or maybe you've never thought about it, I'm telling you right now, you know that I am straight to the point. You know who I am by now. I want you so badly to be inside of the Burn app, because the community is insane. The results are next level, and you're going to feel amazing. And because you are my favorites, you're my OGs, I'm giving you 30% off the Burn method inside of the Burn app. All you got to do is click on the link right up here and in the description below, and I'm going to give you 30% off my Burn app, and so that you can start the Burn method today. 20% fitness, 80% nutrition, 100% mindset. All right, let's get started with the Burn app, and you can carry on with this workout, but straight after, I want you to get started inside of the Burn app. All right, I'll see you there. We're going to take it into elbows in and out. So again, we're going to keep your feet exactly where they are. Make sure that they're pointing towards me. You're going to bring those arms out to the side. We're going to bring those elbows in, little tap, and then out. If you can't quite get your elbows together, no problem. You're just going to do the best that you can by bringing your elbows as close as possible. Tap a little tap, and then out the way to the side. Now try to keep those elbows lifted. You want to have a nice straight line from one side all the way through to the other. Pull your core in nice and tight. Drop your ribs down. Lift up a little bit through your chest, and then really open up those arms out to the side. There we go. As if you get a little bit stronger with this, those arms are gonna come closer together. And that's gonna really help with your flexibility as well. All right, tap in and out. Give me one more and gently release. All right, wiggle those arms out, come to the center and just taking a nice breath. Just inhale through your nose and exhale everything out. Now try drop your shoulders down just a little bit. Take out any tension that you might have. Maybe there's some stress of the day. Maybe you've got like a challenge going on right now. Let's just relax everything and work on our body right here. All right, here we go. We're gonna take those little pulses out to the side. So you can just kind of like move your body around a little bit. You can kind of free flow this with your feet and just pulse those up and down. What you want to think about is not bringing them down here. Try lift them up. That's it, just a few more inches, keeping a nice straight line all the way through from one elbow out to the other. Here we go, 20 seconds left right here. You can do it. Find that grip. Anytime that you feel like, oh God, I really want to drop my arms, I just want to drop them down. No, we're going to pick those arms up and we are going to find that grit to keep on pressing forward. Here we go for 3 and 2 and 1 and release. Nice work. All right, you're gonna come to the top of your mat, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it into a reverse step, like a tap, basically. I'm not even gonna take it into a full lunge. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna come back, your arms are gonna come straight in front of you, and then we're gonna alternate over to the other side. Now, as you get a little bit more comfortable with your balance, you can take it down into a full lunge, but right now we're gonna lean forward, that's it, and then just step back, one at a time, nice and simple. And again, right here, you can add on ankle weights to make it a little bit more challenging. You can add weights on into your hands as well. All of my exercises are done so that you can layer them and make it a little bit more challenging with every single rep. Here we go. All right, see if you can just get down a little bit lower this time. Lean forward into it. Lift your arms up even higher so they're nice, straight, in line with your head. Great work. Here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and give me one more, and gently release. All right, we're gonna take it into marching on the spot, so work a little bit of your core here as well. You're gonna bring your hands out to the side, or you can bring them here onto your waist. Take a nice big breath for me. Relax those shoulders even more, take out any tension. Remember, let it all go. Everything is gonna work out just fine. Here we go, we're gonna lift those knees up one at a time, and just slow and controlled. Again, if you've got your ankle weights on right here, perfect. It's just gonna create a little bit more resistance and make it even more challenging to lift up your legs. Drop your shoulders down, give yourself a nice little smile, and let's just keep working a little bit by little bit as we keep moving through this workout. Remember, your results are gonna be at the end of this workout. All you've gotta do to be successful, to get results, is just don't quit. Even if it gets challenging, even if you feel like it's not working, you've got to keep going. Consistency is key. All right, gently release. We're going to take it across the body crunch this time. So again, working a little bit of our obliques. You're going to lift those arms out to the side. All you're going to do is you're just going to bring one knee in, and you're going to take it into the opposite elbow. Doesn't matter if those elbows touch the knees. Most importantly is we're working on that core stability. Again, if you don't want to bring your arms out, you can just take it into one at a time. You can still just bring those knees up. But I just give you that little bit of encouragement just to take that arm across the opposite side and give yourself a nice little crunch. Here we go, looking good. Keep those elbows wide as you come back to that center position. That's it, pull that core in nice and tight. You are halfway here on this side. Every single rep counts. Remember the reason why you showed up today. That is what's gonna keep you going. 10 seconds left right here. Keep your body moving. You've got this, just a couple more exercises after this, and then we are done. Give me one more, and gently release. All right, here we go. We're gonna take it to the end of your mat. We're just gonna take it into some side squats. So you can go as low as you like. Remember, the lower that you go, the more you're gonna work those glutes. And if you want to, you can hold in weights either side right here. So we're just gonna come down into like a nice low squat, and we're just gonna move all the way across to the end. You're gonna take a quick little tap, and then you're gonna move all the way back again. This is also great exercise if you wanna add in a band. And what I want you to do is, instead of bringing your feet together, I want you to always keep a little bit of distance. That's it. So just sink down, maybe just an inch or two more, all the way to the end. halfway through right here. And then we have just got 2 more exercises left to go. You are doing excellent. Here we are, 10 seconds. Now try and sink down just a little bit further. Drop your shoulders, lift up through your chest for 3 and 2 and 1. Nice. All right, come to the center of your mat. All we're going to do right here is taking into standing leg lifts. So we're going to put all of your weight onto your right leg. Again, if you want to hold onto a wall, you want to hold onto a chair, that's no problem. If you don't, it's just going to work your core a little bit more. And all we're going to do is we're going to take leg lifts up and down. We're going to point that leg and really focus on this inner thigh right here. Press firm into the leg that you're standing on, because what that's going to do is that's going to help tone up the inner thigh on that side as well. You don't want to have your weight here. You want to have all the weight. So it's a very light tap and then all the way down, almost as if I didn't even need to tap the ground. You've got lots of weight pushing through your heel. That is going to nice squeeze your glute as you get to the top. That's it. Here we go. Up and down. Belly button's pulled in nice and tight. 10 seconds right here. And breathe through it. You've got this for 5 and 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, we're going to take it over to the other side. So just think about really transferring that weight over. Just practice right here. Feel the difference. And then squeeze that leg, thinking about bringing that thigh up off the knee, and then lean into it, and then pull that core in nice and tight. Pull your ribs down, chest is lifted, nice chin, and up and down we go. Little to no weight, that's it. Now, if you really press into that heel and you kind of spread your toes wide, you can use that as a grip on the ground to then pull up through your leg. That's it. Drop your shoulders down, smile through it. You've got this. Every single rep counts. It doesn't matter if you feel like this is the hardest workout, if you feel it's the easiest workout. Most importantly is that you are here, that you are moving your body, and that you made a great decision today to exercise. All right, here we go. Less than 10 seconds, and then we've got our final exercise. We're going to take it back to exactly where we started with those squats in 3, in 2, and 1. All right, final exercise. We're going to take those legs nice and wide. Same thing that we did. We're just going to take it into those really nice squats. All right, let's all just take in a breath. Exhale everything out. And here we go in 3, in 2, in 1, and that's it. Press those knees out to the side and then squeeze your glutes. That's it. Now try and just maybe just get a little bit wider, making sure that your knees are going out to the side. Maybe just take a quick little look. You might want to get your legs wider and then turn them out, toes turned out, and then squeeze your glutes as you get to the top. Here we go. Last 20 seconds. You have got this. Try just get down just a little bit lower. Here we go. Chest is lifted and breathe. You got this. That's it. Really press down into your heels, lifting up through your chest. And let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Don't quit now. For 3 and 2 and 1 and release. Woo! Amazing job, girlies. You did incredible today. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a workout. And of course, you check out my free 3-step process to help you get results wherever you are. Love you girls so much. I got another workout for you just in case that was just a great little warm up, and I'll see you on our next workout.